Welcome once more to your favorite channel, Today's Pop. The goal of today's pop is to lead you to be healthy, happy, successful, and fulfilled. And we are very poised and committed to deliver this goal to you. Thank you very much. We are looking at making the best use of your stay-at-home time, how you can make it productive to your life. If you did not watch our previous edition, please look at the description. The link is there, and click it and make sure you watch it. Share our videos, like our videos, and also subscribe to this channel. So we are continuing from where we stopped previously on making your stay-at-home time productive. Number 6, this is so apt a time to dust off that dream, that vision, that particular project that allows you to work at it within the confines of your home. Just pay mind to your valuable bucket list, vision, or dream book. Consider the things you could do. Pick up your biro to pen that book, that poem, that novel, or that song. Carry out that research or study now. 7. You realize that more home sitting is associated with more eating, and that it can alter your sleep cycle. And once those are repeatedly done, weight gain is inescapable. Let this dawn on you. If you had stocked up to lock up, you will definitely eat up more than your body needs to pick up. Therefore, there is never a time better than now to lose that weight. Note:
being in one position for too long, example on the couch watching the TV, being on the computer, on the table reading, studying without taking time to exercise or taking time to walk around, predisposes you to developing a disease known as deep vein thrombosis, DVT. One of its risk factors is allowing your legs remain still for long periods, which doesn't allow your calf muscles contract to help your blood circulation, which can increase blood clots. Hence, so many reasons to exercise. There are many exercises you can do in your home. Take to such exercises now. Take good news. The good news is that if you do so consistently, you will get used to the body exercise procedure. So much so that after the whole lockdown, your body would have gotten used to the drill, and your body would have adjusted to the activity and be longing for it. You could even choose to learn stressful dance steps and dance along with the beats. This is an exercise wrapped in fun.
1 hour each 24 hours. I inflict on me some discomfort in order to gain comfort and peace the remaining 23 hours of the day. I stress my muscles so I can calm my body and my mind. There are many exercises you could do in your home right now. Take to such exercises. After some time, your body would have adjusted and gotten used to it. And after this whole lockdown, you would have just naturally fitted into those exercises. 8. Talking of being at home, what thing can you repair, adjust, and patch up or polish in your house? Look at your curtains. Do they need to be washed, sewn, or fixed? Take a look at your taps, knobs, switches, etc. This is the time to do all of those.
Fix what should be fixed, repair what should be repaired, and replace what should be replaced. There may be surfaces that require to be dusted or polished. Arrange your kitchen.
Clean up your closet. Take a close look at your wallet, makeup bag, box or kit. Clean up. Wash and dry your brushes and other tools. Relate with the interiors at your home. Interact with them. How about that? If there was a time you neglected the material occupants of your home, not now. No, not now. Attend to their needs too. 9. Make some money. Yes. That traditional belief that until you dress up and step out of your house or home a certain number of days per week to use in some duties on planned number of hours is the only way to work and make money has been proven erroneous. If you have never given a thought to this is when to diversify. This is a golden opportunity to get around the economic virtual world. If you've never been doing it in the past, what online businesses are you passionate about? Writing, web or graphic designing, editing, proofreading? What skill do you have that you can teach to others online, maybe on YouTube for a fee? Search the net for it. Ask friends and family about the opportunities that are available in the financial world now. However, when it comes to stuff like this, in order not to have your hands burnt, be very discreet. Get in the water, but not with two legs at a time. 10. Plan, plan, and plan. It's often said that failure to plan tantamounts to planning to fail. I opine that one of the best times to plan for your next project is when you're actually least busy, and such a time has presented itself by the COVID-19 pandemic. Seize this period to plan ahead. Outline your next work, schooling, vacation, and so on now. Plan ahead to ensure success. Thank you very much for watching. This way we'll be wrapping off for today. Please watch out for the next episode, the completing episode of this edition of how you can best maximize your stay-at-home time, which has presented itself through the coronavirus pandemic. Subscribe to this channel, like our videos, and please share our videos as well. In all that you do, have fun, and don't forget, keep popping.